Hello everyone, my name is Ellis and today I want to show you how to make a simple burger that will be for your lunch or for dinner or just a daytime snack, which is easy to make and with minimum ingredients. So enjoy the video and I hope you like the recipe. So the ingredients that I'll be using today are the burger buns, of course, beef or chicken patty, cucumber slices, lettuce, cabbage, tomato slices. I also add mayonnaise and chili sauce. You can add another sauce, and all these ingredients you can find them at your local grocery store or even the pasaro. Now on to the cooking part. I will be using butter to toast my buns, and I will grill my burger patties also in the butter. If you like, you can add a little bit of spices or salt to your beef patties while you're roasting them or you're grilling them. It's up to you. Now that we have finished cooking, let us look at how I am going to assemble my burger. And there you have it, guys. That's my lunch burger, which is very easy to make and is budget friendly. I hope you guys will try it and you enjoy it too.
Looks like me and Vincent caught you boys at breakfast. Sorry about that. What you having?
Hamburgers.
Hamburgers! The cornerstone of any nutritious breakfast.
Happy birthday to me. I can't wait to eat.